In this session, we're going to be comparing the original floor plan with the renovated floor plan that you have came up with. So for example, here's the assignment. Our goal is to simply capture two of the same exact view. So you have, for example, the top view and also the ISO view, bird's eye view. You want to be able to capture the same exact layout to showcase essentially the difference in which you have completed. So what you want to do is bring up the original picture that you may have. For example, if this is the top plan, you want to go ahead and start renovating your space. Once you renovate your space, you're going to be downloading the same view. So let's start with the top view. Click on the three little line on top, click on download and PNG, just like as before. Go on the top right here where your view set are at. Click on the middle to get the top view. And we're going to zoom in a whole lot just to make sure we get to maximize the view that we have. So for example, we have something along this line. I'll press export as ping, click on export. It will download an image. You will go into your floor plan. And again, you're going to be replacing the original floor plan with yours and also the renovated floor plan that is yours as well. To do so, I'm going to click on this item right here, click on replace and go to upload from computer and go to download. You're going to find yours fairly easily on top, whereas mine is, I have too many files. So it will look something like that and press open. Now for you, yours might not fit within this box. So what you want to do is double click in this image, and what you want to do is just kind of maximize this view, meaning you're going to be able to kind of crop a lower and bigger and smaller, whatever it is that you're trying to do to capture the entire view of that image. And once you set it in place like this, you can actually now go in and maximize that to match up with the original. So your goal essentially is to showcase the best view possible for this particular scene. Another one we're going to do is similarly here. Look at the original of yours layout, your layout. What angle is it? What view is it? And capture the same view as closely as possible. So if this is the view I have, make sure you are on the right view first. So this is actually the new area that I have added, and the front side is actually on the other side. So we want to go ahead and make sure we go through the same concept and maximize that view by rotating it and getting it in the same angle as the original, and zoom in as far as you can without cutting anything out. And so here's the original view, and the renovated view is what you want to capture. So similarly, click on the three little line, click on download PNG, and the view is already there. Click on export as ping and press export. Once you have that, you're going to be replacing this. Let me just do this one more time. I'm right click on it. Sorry, I'm gonna click on it, then go to replace image, upload from computer, and then go to download folder. You should find yours fairly easily. Mine is on the bottom. I'm just gonna drag it up to find it fairly easily. Now, if the angle is not 100%, but it's within the 90% range, it's okay. But if you, for example, let's say yours got cut off when you import into the space because your building is longer, just double click on the image itself and start cropping. Literally just start cropping out or adding into the image so you can expand the image or subtract from the image. So as you are doing that, once you're done, click on the outside somewhere. Once you're done, click out somewhere, and then you can actually now move the image and size the image. But your goal is to be able to showcase the before and also the after. So before and the after in comparison. Once you're done, press turn in.